Hi everyone, this is test 12 module 1. Today we're going to finish odd numbered questions. Okay, all right, here is number 1. A sum of the first number, we need to define this number, right? First number and second number. And 40% of the second number equals 70% of the second number. Right? Okay, the first number you can use A, second number is B. So sum of first number plus 40% of second number, that is 0.4b, that is equals to 70% the second, still again 0.7 times b, that's the equation. So A equals 0.3b. Okay. So that's the question. What percent of a second number is the first number? So you have to find first number, second number, right? So A over B, that's the fraction. And to find percent, you multiply 100, okay? A is weight 0.3b. Or you can use some number. I'm going to use it by myself. So A is 0.3b over B. This is a 0.3, right? Times 100 equals 30%. Or you can use some number. Maybe the easy number is B is 10, A equals 3. So put this number in there, right? A is 3, B is 10. But this is percent, still multiply 100, give us same number, okay? 30%. Option B is the answer, okay? All right, number 3. L is perpendicular line M. What is the value of X? So this 30 move the other side. That is the opposite angle, which is a vertical angle. So this is a perpendicular, which makes a right angle. Sum of these two angles equals to 90 degrees, okay? 4x and plus 20 and plus 38 equals to 90. This is a 40, right? So this must be 50. So 4x equals 50, you can divide it by 4, x equals what? 12.5. Okay? Option A is the answer. All right, number 5. So we have an equation, BM over here. That is, anyway, this B equals what total amount. And what is the M? M is the number of months. So this is a total amount saved for vacation. Okay, so we're going to interpretation this one. What does that mean? Okay, the first one, B is what total amount for the vacation we have to save. And is the number of months, so 8 months is saved. How much? $440. Okay, so we got the answer right away over here. Option A, after 8 months, just we have saved 440. Not each month. Okay, each month is $30. This is the coefficient of M. That's the amount. Maybe this is $30. That might be correct. So that's not the initial amount. The initial amount is $200. That is the initial amount. Right? So $440 left. No. After 8 months, he saved the 440. Right? The other one is we don't know, right? We're going number 7. So Sarah bought 2 bookshelves and 3 chairs from a furniture store. Okay, the price, bookshelves and chairs, they are all same, right? So the next one over here, bookshelves, I'm going to use B, bookshelves, and the chairs. Okay, each chair was half the price of bookshelf. If bookshelf is X, this one is 1/2x, that's the price. Or you can, this is x, this is 2x, it doesn't matter, okay? Anyway, that is doubled. Okay, I'm going to use this number. And they both were 2 bookshelves over here and 3 chairs. That is the number of each item. Okay, after that, yeah, they had, yeah, there are discount, all right? Okay. $10 discount the bookshelf. That is what $10 discount. And the other one is what? Chairs $15 discount. So total cost of a purchase was $199. $199. That's a total purchase cost, okay? So how much is one? Bookshelf 2, each price is 2x times 2x. And what about chairs? 3 times 1 over 2x and 3 over 2x. And total discount, you can add more, minus, so plus 25. Minus, right? That is, discount is minus 25. That is equals to 199. That is 2x is what, 4 over 2, 7 over 2x. That is equals 225 over, okay, 214. No. 234, right? Okay. So how can you find, we're going to find over here, the bookshelves, x over here, right? That's the price, not 1 over 2x. So you're going to find the value of this one, times, it's a reciprocal 2 over 7 and 2 over 7, okay? So x equals, this is 1, this is what, let me see, 30, that is 224, right? Oh, I'm sorry, this is 224. This is 224, okay? So this is 21 and 14 and divided by 2, $32, okay? So the value of x equals, confused. So we are 224 times 2 over 7, right? This is 1, this is 32, okay. 32 times 2 is 64, right? Yeah. That's the price for each bookshelf, okay? Here is a number 9. xy is the solution to the given system of equations. What is the value of x? So we're going to find the value of it, not y, okay? But when you take a look at the system of equations, you can a little more simplify, okay? Divided by 4, first one is what? 4x plus y equals 11. That's the easiest way, right? Anyway, so time divided by 3 is what? 2x divided by 3 is y equals 7. Okay, you can see that, right? Y and negative y, okay? So using addition, we eliminate variable y. That is what? 6x equals 18. That is, okay? So x equals 3 is the answer, okay? Here is number 11. A national park has a specific limit on the number of elk A and parks F. But this park can sustain due to environment capacities. There's a limit here, 2 limit there. 2E plus 3F is less than or equal to 180. That's the number of elk, this number of parks. So this one may be some over here water, right? Amount of water for elk and this amount of water for park, something like that, okay? But the park decide to accommodate 20 bucks over here. This number, F is 20 bucks. So what is the maximum number of elk? Okay, so for this number, F is in the equation. So we got this one, 2E plus 3 times 20 is 6, must be less than or equals to 180. And the next one is what? 4E plus 2 times F is 40 again, and this one is 200. But satisfy both two inequality, right? So from here, 2E is less than 90, right? Okay, less than 120. Okay, second one is 2, 4 is less than 160. When you divide by 2, the first one is what? Less than or equals 60. Second one is less than or equals 40, right? Satisfy both. Okay, must be 60. The other one must be less than 40. This is, right, common area, okay? So satisfy both. The maximum is 40 is the answer, okay? Not 60, okay? If we got 60, second constraint not working. That's the number 11. Here is the number 12. The graph of absolute value equations. So we know that 1 and negative 3 is a turning point, which is the vertex. You can say this is turning point or vertex, okay? What is this one? Scale factor, okay? Always what two lines, right? To the right and to the left. This is the slope of right, the right side line. Okay, move up, move 1 to the right, up is 4, right? Slope is 4, so A equals to 4, okay? That's the A is a slope of right hand side line, okay? Or you can use like some substitution 1 point. This point is 2 and 1, okay? It's gonna pass right this point. So when y equals 1, x equals 2, right? 8 times 2 minus 1 is 1, epsilon is still 1, okay? And minus 3. So A equals 4, right? You can solve this way too, using a point. Here is number 15. How many hours will it take for the population of certain bacteria culture in a lab to increase to 16 times its initial size? Initial size is 1500. Okay. 15 times. Okay, anyway, we're going to set up the equation over here, right? That is initially is 15,000. So double is 1 plus 1 is double, right? 2 to the y. Every 3 hours is t over 3. That is the exponential function. 16 times over 16 times initial. It's the same number, right? So 16 equals 2 to the what? T over 3, isn't it? So how can you find the value of t? We need what? Exponent with same base number, right? 16 is 2 to the 4th power equals 2 to the t over 3. So 4 equals, okay, 4 equals t over 3. T equals what? Times 3, right? Must be equals 12 is the answer. Option C is the answer, okay? Here are the number 17, which express the equivalent. Okay, expand this. What is that? X squared minus 2 times x times 2 over x and plus 2 over x squared is 4 over x squared, isn't it? Actually, this one equals what? X squared plus, I'm going to write this first. 4 over x squared and the minus 4, isn't it? Which one is equivalent to this? This one, right? Because this one is what? X squared plus 4, right? And plus 2 square of this one, 2 squared is 4, x squared is x squared, and the minus 8. You can see that 4 minus 8 equals negative 4, okay? So option A is the answer. Here is number 9. We're going to find the system of inequality using the graph. The first one, this graph is y equals 3. The other graph is y equals slope is 2 over 1, negative slope is negative 2, x and minus 2. This is below the right graph, right? So this inequality must be less than or equals 3. This is also below, right? So y is less than or equals negative 2x minus 3, below the graph. Which one equivalent to this? Y is less than, I'm sorry, y is less than 2, right? This is 2. They are less than 2. That's one. Check out this one. Plus 2x both sides. 2x plus y, that's the standard form of inequality, okay? 2x plus y equals negative 2, right? Which one is equal to this? 2x plus y less than negative 2, okay. Option C is the answer. All right, number 12. A sector of circle has central angle measuring 1.2. One radius around 53 degree, okay? Okay, maybe approximate this one. This is a 1.2 radians. The radius is 15. What is the area of this sector? Okay. I think this one is the sector, right, of the sector. I'm sorry, this is, I think, miss error, okay, of the sector. That's the correct one. So you know the area of this sector equals what is it? 1 over 2 r squared zero, right? That's the formula. If not, you have to find, okay, the entire area, pi r squared, but total entire already has occupied 2 pi radian, but this is only 1.2, right? You can use this formula too. But if you remember the area of the sector, use this one, okay? 1 over 2 r is 15 square and the zeta is 1.2. So 1 over 2 and 15 square, okay? And times 1.2. 135, okay? Square unit is the answer, okay? 135. Here is number 23. A square puzzle measuring 20 feet on its side, but each box of tile. Each box covering 2 square meters. So this is a feet, this is a meters. We switch right the unit. Okay, 20 feet is what? 20 times 0.3048. That is 20 feet. The square over here, right? That's the area. But each box cover right 2 square meters. You can divide by 2. That is the number of box. Okay? So you're gonna use decimals over here. 20 times 0.3048. I'm sorry. 20 times 0.3048 and square, right? After that, you can divide by 2 square meters. 18.58, right? So 19 is that, okay? Here is number 25. X squared over 4 plus x equals k over 2. So it's actually the one solution. So that is a quadratic. Check it out, discriminant is 0, right? So x squared over 4 minus x minus k over 2 equals 0. You can use, right? A equals 1 over 4, B is 1, C equals negative k over 2. It doesn't matter, okay? Only this one. You can use it directly, or you can change into integer, right? Equation x squared plus 4x and minus 2k equals 0. You can use this one too. I'm going to use this one in case. So 1 squared is 1. 4 times a is 1 over 4, c is 1 negative k over 2. That equals to 0. Then equals 0 means it's equal to 0, right? So 1 equals, this is out, negative k over 2, right? The value of k equals negative 2 is the answer, okay? Or you can use this one too. B squared is 16 minus 4 times a is 1, c is negative 2k equals 0 means this is 0, right? So 60 equals negative 8k. You can divide by negative 8, still negative 2. Okay. Here is number 27. The radius of circle is 8. What is the value of k? You know the equation of circle. Standard form, okay? This always looks like this. So we're going to change this general to standard form, okay? So first one is x squared, half of this number, x plus 5 square, and half of this number is y minus 4 square. But this will move to the right, okay? K squared minus 13, but we're going to modify, right? Because we have to add a 25 over here plus 16 over here. We're going to add this number to the right-hand side also. So that is equals k squared minus, this is y 41 minus 8 is 28. Okay. K squared minus 20, okay, plus 28, that is equals r squared. Radius is 64, right? So k squared equals 64 minus 28. It's going to be 36. So k equals probably 36, but should be positive, right? It's 8. K is a positive constant. K equals 6. Okay? All right. Okay, that's it today, okay? So I'm going to see you next time in module 2, test 12. Okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.